power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab in diamond black crystal pearl. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 38,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, remote start system, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 90291A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.